This is stock number 18544, a 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 extended cab short box. This truck has a 5.3 liter with active fuel management. From this video, you'll be able to tell that this truck is extremely clean all the way around. Bridgestone dueler tires with almost all the tread left. Factory alloy rims. No dents or dings in the front bumper, no scuffs or cracks in the plastic. Take these videos so if you're far away or even close by, you can see the truck, hear the truck, and have confidence in the vehicle that you're purchasing before you even get here. See the frame, it's very clean underneath. It's like that all the way. Raptor stainless steel step bars, Raptor tube bed rails, full towing package which includes a receiver hitch, wiring, and transmission cooler, locking tailgate, lift assist tailgate. I believe Chevy calls it the Easy Lift tailgate. Z71 off-road suspension package. This truck has the LT package, which gives you the black ebony cloth interior. See, there's no rips or tears in the seats, no stains. This truck smells extremely clean. See, the carpeting is very clean. Don't believe it's ever been smoked in. No pets. It only has 8,868 miles. CD player, StabiliTrak, turn dial 4-wheel drive, power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors with the built-in directional signals. The extended cab is nice because these doors open all the way and the back windows actually go down. See, the back seats are very clean as well back there. Let's take a quick look under the hood. See, the engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. And to see more pictures of this truck or one of our other 350 trucks and SUVs in a lot, go to www.lenzauto.com. There's a full description and 27 photos of every vehicle you see here at lenzauto.com.